अजीज तलबा, अब हम 9th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 1 के एक्सरसाइज के MCQs हल करते हैं। मैटर इज प्रेजेंट इन नियॉन साइन इन द स्टेट ऑफ। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज प्लाज्मा। Hazardous effect of shopping bags are studied in. Correct answer is environmental chemistry. The man-made polymer is. Correct option is polystyrene. Which liquid among the following is a colloidal solution? Correct option is milk. Which of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Correct option is concrete mixture. When the tiny visible particles of a substance are dispersed through a medium, the mixture is named as. Correct option is suspension.